Hello, welcome. Welcome again. Stay tuned because our topic for today is personal pronouns. In English 2, for fourth quarter, we are now in week 4. Okay. Before we begin, let us first know our objective. You are expected to use personal pronouns in a dialogue. Okay? Before that, let us first know the meaning of personal pronouns. These are words used to replace the name of persons, groups, or things. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are personal pronouns. Okay, take a look and listen to the dialogue about my family. Hi, I am Leia. I am here to introduce my family. This is Mark. He is my brother. How are you? I'm fine. They are my parents. My mother is a nurse. She works in a public hospital. My father is a reporter. He works in a radio station. This is our dog, Blackie. It is our best friend and faithful animal. This is my family. We love and respect each other. Proceed to our learning task 1. Change the word or words into parentheses with the correct pronouns he, she, it, or they. Remember to begin your sentence with a capital letter. The family members blank are at the beach. Clarissa blank really likes swimming. Mother blank puts on sunscreen. Winston blank brings a ball. They have fun and play with a ball. What do you think is the answer in number 1? What is the substitute pronoun for the family members? Correct, they. They are at the beach. How about number 2? What is the pronoun for Clarissa? Clarissa is a girl. You're right. She really likes swimming. How about number 3? Mother. Mother is also a girl. So, the answer is she. Very good. She puts on sun cream. How about number 4? Winston. Winston, what do you think is the gender of Winston? Correct. So we are going to use he. He brings a ball. Number 5. They have fun and play with a ball. What is the pronoun for ball? Correct, it. Okay, very good. Okay, let's proceed to learning task 2. Choose from the box the correct pronoun for the underlined nouns. Okay, example. Maria forgot to bring her bag. What is the word with underline? What is the noun with underline? You're going to choose here. Okay, so Maria is a girl. What are we going to use? Okay, she. Alright, good. Okay, number 1, Leia, Lori, and Roy. So they're spoken to. Must hurry up or we will be late. So there are 3 nouns in this sentence. What are we going to use? We, they, you. Correct. We. So let's read. We must hurry up or we will be late. Correct. Number 2. Laura sings sweetly. Who sings sweetly? Okay. So the substitute for Laura is the pronoun she, because Laura is a girl. Okay? Next, number 3. Ronan opened the big blue box. What is the noun? Okay, correct. Ronan. Ronan is what gender? Okay, correct. Male or boy. So, what are you going to choose from these pronouns? He, she, or it? Correct. He. Alright, so let's read it again. He opened the big blue box. Correct. Nice. Okay, number 4. The box was filled with good things. What is the underlined nouns? Alright, the box. So what we are going to substitute for this noun? What pronoun we will use? Correct. So, it. Good. Okay, number 5. Wendy and Riza have tickets. What is the noun? Or what are the nouns? So Wendy and Riza, correct. So what pronoun we're going to substitute for Wendy and Riza? We, they, or you? Okay, so they have tickets. Correct. Okay, when do we use pronouns? Can you guess? Okay, let's see if you get the correct answer. So we use I, you, he, she, it, we, and they when we talk about people, animals, and things. Just like these pictures, talking about the people, animals, and things. Okay, remember that. Okay, take note also that singular, only one. These are the singular pronoun. I, the speaker, you, spoken to, he, she, it, is spoken about. These are singular pronouns, while plural pronouns, or two or more, talks about two or more people, animal, or things. We, you, they. Okay, remember that. I, you, he, she, it, singular. We, you, they, plural. Okay? Okay, I refers to the personal is speaking. You refers to the one is spoken to. It may be one or singular or many or plural. She refers to a girl is spoken about. He refers to a boy is spoken about. It refers to animals or things is spoken about. We refers to many persons is speaking. Plural. They refers to more than one person is spoken about. So, now let's proceed to learning task 4. You are going to complete the dialogue with the correct personal pronouns. Okay. Lori, let us play another game. You don't know how to play Patintero? Never heard of that game. Patintero is played outdoors. Dunk is played on a rectangular grid with 2 equal teams. Can we play it? Let us call Rocky, Laika, Winnie, Alvin, and Roy to play with us. Yes, Dunk will surely love this game. Let us also ask Jonah to join us. Dunk will also be happy to play this game. Okay, what is your answer in number 1? Okay, let's see if you get the correct answer. So do you know how to play Patintero? Okay. So, number 2. Okay, I never heard of that game. Number 3. Good, It is played on a rectangular grid with 2 equal teams. Number 4. Okay, you will surely love this game. Let us also ask Jonah to join us. Number 5. She will also be happy to play this game. Did you get all the correct answers? Okay, good. And thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy learning.